Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about how to clip an image on a phone using Photoshop. Without any further ado, let's dive in. Our dimension will be 4x4. We'll be using 4x4 dimension. Ensure that every other thing is in check and then create. The first thing we are going to do when we get to this point is to go straight to the file. Here you click on the file, go to place embedded, then we start searching the phone. That's the image that will be imported to the Canva. We then centralize the image, yes, to centralize it properly. And the next thing you are going to do is to click on the pen tool. Go straight to your pen tool. Ensure is in part. Yes, the first one, ensure is in part. Then at this point, we are going to start tracing the parts using the pen tool. You need to be careful, and then if you can't see it, we are going to zoom it so that we will see all those parts, so that it will be very, very realistic and not too tacky. At this point, you can pause the video and start trying it on your laptop and trace it carefully. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well so that others can see this video. Thank you. When you are done tracing the part, the next thing is to right click, then you click on mix selection. An option will come, click OK. And when you are done with this, you will see the parts will be selected. And then the next thing you will do is to click on Ctrl J to duplicate and convert it to smart object. Click on the thumbnail and then you'll be transferred to another page. So after that, you will then import your image, the image that you will be clipping on the phone, into this plain surface. And then let's get the image. Okay, we've gotten the image, then we centralize it. After adjusting it, then you click on OK. Go to the top of the menu bar, you see that X icon, you click on yes, and then it will move you back to the previous interface or the page, and then you can adjust it properly. Alright, so guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Please do like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.